Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x8007. There are some problem installing some updates, but try again later. That's a problem guys. Let's fix that. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Troubleshoot, open it. Troubleshoot setting. Go to other troubleshooters. Click Windows Update Troubleshooter to run guys. This will help you guys detecting problems. You can easily resolve like that. What's the problem? We can find it over here. Hopefully you can resolve. Check for Windows Update that's a detected issue. If you have detected the same issue, go to Windows Update, and there are two updates over here, download and install all. Click on it. If no, somebody's not get this, try this guys. To get resolved, search cmd, run as administrator, click on it, click user control device, and here you need to type sfc space slash scannow, press enter. Being system scan, this process will take some time guys. Being verification base of system scan, this 1% need to get 100% guys. After finishing this 100%, go and restart your PC. Hopefully that can resolve your problem guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thank you.